Let me guess, you've used subforms before and at some point thought, why is all my data stuck in rows and so annoying to read? Like, you just want a clean summary, something you can scan in 2 seconds. Not 10 rows, not scrolling, not clicking into every detail. Well, good news. Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick to turn all that messy subform data into a clean, line-by-line summary, automatically. Think about this. You're handling a material request form. Someone submits 5 different items. Instead of checking each row one by one, boom, you get a neatly formatted summary like, all in one field. It looks clean, feels clean, and saves time. So how does this actually work? It's actually simpler than it sounds, and it works in 3 small steps. First, we combine data and turn each subform row into a single line with a separator. Next, we split the combined data into lines. And finally, we use formulas to generate a clean summary with totals. Now, let's get you set up. First step, we'll use a material request form as an example. Add your basic fields. Request time, requested by, department. Then create a subform called request details with item name, quantity, unit, and one important field, row summary. And finally, in the master form, add item summary. Now configure the formulas. Go to the row summary field, initial value, choose formula, and edit. Paste this. Concatenate, request details, item name, dash, request details, quantity, request details, unit, char, 10, comma. What this is doing is turning each row into something like disinfectant, 3 bottles. Then adding a line break and a comma behind the scenes. Now go to item summary, initial value, formula, edit, and paste this. Concatenate, split, text, request details, row summary, comma, total, count, request details, item name, items, sum, request details, quantity, units. This part takes everything we just built and splits it back into lines. And then adds a nice little summary at the end, like total 2 items for units. At last, we don't actually want users to see the row summary field. So just hide it. Go to Field Permissions and disable the View option. And don't forget, go to Form Properties. Enable Always Recalculate, so your summary always stays updated. And that's it. Now whenever someone fills out the subform, they instantly get a clean, readable summary. No extra work needed. Honestly, once you start using this, it's hard to go back. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our future tutorials. And let us know in the comments what feature you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next episode.